Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, May 26, 2025, we're analyzing Meta platforms, Meta, looking at both recent news and the chart data. Meta's stock price is currently around $627.06, down 1.49% today, according to Yahoo Finance. Analysts have price targets ranging from $525 to $918, averaging around $696. Recent news indicates Meta is actively developing AI models like Llama for startups and exploring new monetization methods for WhatsApp. However, the delayed rollout of their AI model Behemoth to June has caused some stock dips. 64 out of 72 analysts rate Meta as a buy or outperform, reflecting confidence in the company's future. We'll be using this info as we examine these charts today. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a significant surge in early February 2024. The stock rose from the 300s into the 400s in just a single candle. After the surge, Meta saw some consolidation and volatility throughout the rest of 2024 and early 2025. We can see that as of May 24, 2025, Meta is at $478.22 and currently $479.92 as of May 28, 2025, but has a low of $461.54 in between these dates. This shows that it's found new support in the $460 to $480 range. Let's narrow in on the more recent price action on the one-day chart from the beginning of March 2025 to today. Here, we can see Meta hovering from $550 to $650 throughout this entire period. It looks like this $650 level might be a long-term resistance level. It appears a downtrend may be beginning, however, after a high of $659.88 on January 27, 2025, and a current price of $479.92. The stock is far from these highs. Now, let's switch to the one-hour chart to analyze the recent price action in more detail. On the one-hour chart, we can see very choppy, volatile behavior. Looking at the most recent candles, we see a current uptrend in the price, which might be correlated to the analyst predictions that Meta could hit $1,000 sooner than expected, due to AI optimism. Focusing on the 15-minute chart, we see that the stock bounced around $635 during May 21st and May 22nd, and after a dip is hovering around $625 now. We see resistance at $640 and support near $620. Given the recent news and the trend on the one-day chart, the bearish momentum might continue, leading to a test of the $600 support level. This seems likely to me, probably at 70% likelihood. On the other hand, if Meta releases more positive news about their AI developments in June, as planned, we could see a move back towards the $650 resistance. This seems less likely, maybe at 30% likelihood. To recap, watch for the $650 resistance and the $600 support. The delay of the Behemoth rollout in June will be very important, so make sure to keep that in mind. That's all for this episode of Explain the Charts. Happy trading!